Hey everyone, I'm Dana Deal, the Director of Wellness and Prevention at the Alaska Native Tribal Health Consortium.
And I'm Eleanor Polo, a Public Health Program Specialist.
And today we're talking about something incredibly important, naloxone.
You might know it as Narcan. It's a life-saving medication that can reverse an opioid overdose.
We want to show you exactly what's in these kits and talk about why they're so important. First up, 2 naloxone nasal sprays. This spray is incredibly easy to use. Anyone can do it and it's safe for all ages.
Next, you'll find gloves. Safety first. Always protect yourself when helping someone.
You'll also find a breathing barrier or face shield in the kit. This helps you safely perform rescue breaths if needed.
Kits also contain xylazine and fentanyl test strips, with instructions on how to use the strips and a recovery guide.
And finally, instructions. Every kit comes with clear step-by-step guides, and there's a short online training course that you can take.
You don't need to be a medical professional to use naloxone.
If you're not sure if someone's experiencing an overdose, it's still safe to use naloxone.
Everyone should have one of these kits.
Knowing how to use naloxone and having a kit can save a life.